Welcome to the unboxing of my solid state drive. My solid state drive is the Corsair Force 3. It is 60 gigabytes. The reason I got this solid state drive over other ones was it had higher transfer rates and was a little bit cheaper compared to the competition. SATA 3 means it can transfer up to 6 gigabits per second. There's a little bit more text if you want to read it, feel free to, but that's pretty much it for the outside of the box. So let me get straight in and show you what's on the inside. Bear with me. Right, I've got it open, so this is what's inside. Here you have a mounting bracket, which is nice that they give it to you because sometimes they don't. It's just they are supposed to make customers happy. And here is the solid state drive itself. Let me get it out of this plastic casing. Okay, now it's out of this casing. You have these things either side, and basically, as you can see just there, these are screws. This is to mount the bracket so you can install it, and here is the solid state drive, 60 gigabytes. I will only be using this to store my operating system and like essential software, so stuff like Photoshop. Basically all it does is it allows it to run faster, as it has no moving parts in it. As you can see there, that's where the SATA cable connects on the far one on the right, and the power cable on the left. Yeah, so that's about it. If you like the review, I've got more coming. I'm creating a build with a Silverstone FT03. I'm going to be unboxing all components, so if you like it, feel free to subscribe, and plenty more coming. Thanks for watching. This is the installation of the SSD. With the SSD, I did get a mounting bracket with the case and a mounting bracket with the actual SSD itself. I will be using the one that I got with a case simply because it's lighter, not much lighter, but it is lighter, and it's smaller as well. So that's the reason I'm using that. With the SSD, you do get screws. These are big ones for the side, and these are small ones for the bottom. So I'll show you what you do. You get the SSD mounting bracket, you place it in here, and you just screw all screws in. So I'm just going to do that now, so bear with me. Alright, I've got the screws on. You don't have to put the ones on the bottom. You only have to put 4 on the sides. The other 4 screws are to mount the bracket to the case. I will be using the screws I got for the case. The reason is because all the screws will look the same. If I have them, then they will look different. I know it's only a minor detail, but you know. So I'm just gonna screw this on. So bear with me while I do it, and I'll show you once it's been screwed on. I am gonna screw it on with the SATA 3 and the SATA power facing up. As you can see, my hard drive is facing down, so when the cables come through here, I do want all cables to run to here rather than one to here and then one to there. So that's how I'm going to install it. So I'm just going to screw it on. Right, it's screwed on. You may or may not have noticed, but there are no rubber rings. Can you see the orange rubber rings there? There are none on the SSD drive. The reason they're here on this hard drive is because there are moving parts and it may vibrate. But with the SSD, it's all solid state drives. There's no moving parts, so there's no need for the rubber bits. It is screwed on with the connector at the top. So that is the installation of my SSD card. Thanks for watching again.